How to adjust exposure on iPhone camera. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. Once the camera is open, you will see the camera mode and zoom options on the bottom and control options on top. Tap on the arrow at the top of the screen. This will replace the camera mode options and reveal more camera control options at the bottom above the capture button. From the bottom panel of icons, tap on the exposure icon, which is represented by a plus and minus symbol inside a circle. Tapping this icon will again replace the bottom section with a slider. You can now adjust the exposure using the slider. Drag the slider to the left to decrease the exposure and to the right to increase it. Following these steps, you can easily adjust exposure on the iPhone camera. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.